Hey everyone, welcome to another LinkedIn tip. Today I'm going to talk about how to customize your LinkedIn URL. So let me share my screen and explain to you how to do it and what I'm exactly talking about. So I'm going to go to my LinkedIn profile. Again, I'm going to click on the me on my home page, click on view profile. Okay, so my LinkedIn URL is right here at the top. You can see in this little search bar, I've customized it so it says Nyna Caputi. But when you first create a profile on LinkedIn, and if you haven't really paid attention to it, LinkedIn assigns you a URL. It will have your name in it, but it also often has numbers and characters, and it's kind of unwieldy and doesn't look so professional. So there's a very simple way of editing your LinkedIn URL to make it memorable, to make it customized, to make it stand out, to make it easy for other people to remember. So on your profile page, you'll see in the right-hand section, edit public profile and URL. So click on that. And then you'll see right at the top in the right-hand corner, edit your custom URL. So personalize the URL for your profile. So you see the little pen here. So you click on that. Now, if you had a lot of numbers and characters along with your name, you would clean it up to just put your first and last name. If you have a name that other people have, like maybe a similar first and last name and it's already taken, you could use your middle name as well. You could use an initial from your middle name. You could, I would suggest not using your date of birth or even the year you were born. It ideally should just have your first and last name with a middle initial. And then the other thing is, do not use spaces, symbols, or special characters. You might see some people who've used emojis. They haven't used emojis in their URL. Sorry, take that back. But you can use, or you shouldn't use, spaces, symbols, or special characters. So just a first and last name. You could use a number if you want, or if maybe you're a coach, you want to use that because your first and last name are taken. You could put your first name, last name, coach, something to make you stand out. But I would say keep it simple so people remember you and it just looks clean and nice. Okay, so once you do that, make sure you save it. And then, of course, you have your URL. And then with that, with your LinkedIn URL, you can share it on your website. You can share it below your email signature. You can add it to a presentation you're making. So, it has so many uses. So again, as I said, if it's simple and has your first and last name or middle initial, it's so much easier to use. And you've updated your LinkedIn URL when you get this message at the bottom, which says we've updated your settings. Search engines can take some time to detect changes and refresh. LinkedIn does not control that refresh process. So just keep that in mind when you change your URL. And if you immediately send that new URL to somebody else, it may not take them to that LinkedIn URL immediately because LinkedIn is taking a while to update their settings. All right, so once you've created your LinkedIn URL, share it in the comments of this video so we can see it and we could also connect with each other. And feel free to connect or follow me if you haven't already, and let me know in the message you send along with the connection request that you watched this video. All right, have a fabulous day. Bye for now.